Welcome back to the channel. Today, we find ourselves on the verge of what may become one of the most groundbreaking financial events in recent history. The global economy could soon shift dramatically, as Iraq is set to announce a highly anticipated new contract rate for the Iraqi dinar at 5 p.m. This event has the potential to reshape Iraq's economy, and the ripple effects could extend well beyond the region. For investors and observers alike, this is a critical moment. After years of waiting, this development could represent a defining shift in Iraq's financial journey. In this video, we'll cover what's officially confirmed, what the experts are projecting, and what this could mean for Iraq, the global market, and your own financial strategies. Anticipation is high across Iraq. Cities like Baghdad are buzzing as banks and currency centers prepare for the announcement. Some financial institutions have already altered their operations, reducing or suspending services in preparation for what could mark the beginning of a new chapter in Iraq's economic story. What makes this announcement different from routine updates is that Iraq has spent years preparing for this moment. This isn't a simple rate adjustment. It's part of a broader reform strategy aimed at elevating Iraq's role in the global financial system. And as 5 p.m. approaches, one burning question remains: what will the new rate be? Analysts and currency experts have debated this for months. Many predict that the new contract rate will be significantly higher than the current market value, backed by a number of factors. Iraq's oil revenues are on the rise. Its foreign currency reserves are stronger than ever, and the country is forming new trade relationships. If these forecasts come true, the dinar could finally begin reflecting its true economic value, potentially the most dramatic valuation shift Iraq has seen in decades. So, why now? The Iraqi government's timing is deliberate. Today's expected announcement follows years of reform, including efforts to curb inflation, boost transparency, and modernize the banking system. This move isn't just about numbers. It's about asserting national economic strength and restoring financial independence. A stronger dinar could boost purchasing power, bring down the cost of everyday goods, and stimulate foreign investment, all essential steps toward economic revival. But what exactly is a contract rate? It's a specially negotiated exchange rate, often higher than what you'd get at a regular currency exchange. These rates are typically used in large transactions between governments, institutions, and high net worth investors. If Iraq introduces such a rate today, it will signal a new level of readiness for global financial integration, opening the door for major investments and long-term economic partnerships. Banks and financial institutions are already preparing. Many are limiting currency services ahead of the announcement, anticipating heavy demand once the new rate goes live. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, is also coordinating with international partners to ensure a smooth transition. They're urging citizens and investors to only trust official sources to avoid falling victim to rumors and speculation. For those holding Iraqi dinar, this announcement could be the moment they've long waited for. But experts are urging caution. Don't rush into decisions until the central bank confirms the new rate. Many currency dealers and international banks are holding off on any large-scale transactions until official numbers are released. Once that happens, we may see dramatic shifts in the Forex market, perhaps even overnight. After the announcement, we can expect a wave of adjustments. Banks, businesses, and government agencies will need to update payrolls, accounting systems, and contracts to reflect the new value. Iraq's trade agreements will likely be revised to accommodate the shift, and a press conference is expected to lay out the next steps in Iraq's economic plan, one that may include reforms in energy, taxation, and more. If these reforms are implemented successfully, Iraq could be positioned as one of the fastest-growing economies in the region. But above all else, today is about more than money. This moment represents the resilience of a nation that has endured immense hardship and is now taking bold steps toward financial sovereignty. For the Iraqi people, it's about hope, progress, and the future. Whether you're watching from Baghdad, Basra, Erbil, or from abroad, this could be a historic turning point in currency and global economics. So, as we count down the hours to the big reveal, remember, stay calm, stay informed, and don't act on speculation. Wait for verified information directly from the central bank before making any financial moves. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We'll be going live at 4:30 p.m. to break down the numbers as they come in.